Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is the second Sunday of the month, and on this day we post our projects, and this is for the Christmas all year collab hosted by Betty, who is Scrap Passion 01 here on YouTube. And it's a group of us gotten together, and what we do is we post our Christmas projects, Christmas tips, tricks, whatever that may help us in the busy Christmas season. So it's always good to get a jump on things. So I didn't really use a paper collection, but I did use Canva, and that's an app that you can design and create things. And it's this trend going around with these illusion bags that you create. And I am making one for a swap. I'll insert some pictures here so you can just kind of get an idea of what they are. So let me just show you what I made. So this is the first one, and with this bag, it's actually just paper. I laminated this paper, but what you do is you create two pages and you glue them together, then you cut the slit so you can have the pocket there. And I decorated the front, and what you do with this pocket is you can gift people items with it. So I'm just putting some trim in here, some thread, so you can kind of get an idea. It has a little bit of room. It measures, give you some measurements. This one measures about a little less, about 8 inches and about 4.5 tall. And it's a sun profile, but you can, you can make it bigger depending on the software you use. So I just created this one on Canva, and I asked for a Christmas designed paper, and this is what it came up with. And I just added some chain here to decorate it, and add some gems on the end. And I also added a little dangle here with these ornaments. And this is one of the ornaments that you get from Walmart during the Christmas season. Let's see what else. Oh, these are also, these were clearance out at Hobby Lobby, and I just added those. And then I just added a tree, a bottle tree, and these are some I got from Dollar Tree. And so that's the first one I created. I did that one in green. Then I also did one in more traditional color. This is a red, and this is just a sentiment I added here. Same premise, has an opening here. You can put shred in it and gift things to a crafty friend or to anyone really. And here I just added a bow. This star is from Dollar Tree. This was from some stickers that they had, and I just added this little peppermint. And then this is just some trim I draped along the ends. Now to close it, because I laminated the top page. They both are the same. I laminated the top page. The one on the back is just paper cardstock. So I use these I use these eyelets to close it, because I knew I wanted to hang a dangle on it, but I just put some hot glue. I don't know if that's the best idea. I'm playing around with it, so I don't know, I may come up with something different. But it's perfect for gifting. You could gift gift cards to a friend. You could, along with, maybe some hand cream or lotion. Put that in there. There's some I had sitting on my table, on my desk. So yeah, you could get something like that. Or if it's, a crafty friend, you can give them something like some embellishments or something like that. It's just something I had, and you can stick that in there to get an idea. And I love how it came out. I love this idea, the trend that I saw going around, and I just thought it would be a great idea to create something Christmas themed. And so that's what I did here. So let me know what you think. If you have any questions about what I created or how I created it, leave them down below, and I'll do my best to answer them. But that's my project. Make sure you check out everyone involved and see what inspiration you can get for the holidays, or something that you can get a jump on. So see, this was something I can make a lot of, mass produce, and tailor them toward the individual that I'm gifting them to. So I love the idea. So thank you for watching. You all have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.